What sparked my interest in drama was the drama teachers I had as a student myself. Year 11 and 12 for me were really formative in my love of drama. I went on to study drama at an undergraduate and then postgraduate level as well. And then all the way through my sort of tertiary studies, I was also working in museum education. And then when I came out at the end of my tertiary studies, I sort of combined the two, and I thought, well, I really like education in that sense, and I love my drama, and thought I'll head off and become a drama teacher. In the college system, 11 and 12, it's very siloed. You know, maths teach maths, and drama teaches drama, and music teaches music. And I am really interested in the idea of collaborating more with other departments to increase creativity and collaboration, not only amongst teachers but amongst students as well, because they're really important skills sort of going forward as we look at 21st century skills for the modern workforce. Collaboration and creativity are valued really highly. So the project I'm working on is a kind of a gala event that we can use to incorporate across multiple disciplines for the school. Some of the skills that we've learnt as part of this week to assist me with that pitch project, as we're calling it, is a lot of the presentation skills and how to shape the way in which I want to frame to the people I'm presenting to how exactly this project will map out and the benefits of creativity in general. Instead of encountering that resistance, we want to be able to talk about the benefits of creative projects and art as a sort of general form with the people in the other disciplines. So that's been really beneficial, and getting a lot of feedback from other teachers on that and hearing their experiences has been really valuable because you're getting an understanding from different contexts in order to help me kind of shape my argument and my program. So that's been really great. An example of another person's pitch idea that has inspired me was the idea of creating a creative culture inside a school, that we want to train our students to be creative thinkers, not creative rememberers. And I was so taken by that concept from one of the other people here that I'm actually going to go back and have a whole conversation with my classes in every single class about that's the purpose of what we're trying to achieve here, is to be creative thinkers, not creative rememberers of content. So I'm really excited about that. It really got me, ignited, I suppose. Being a student this week has been really refreshing. We spend, as teachers, so long being in charge. It's nice to kind of come back and be a sponge and just take in as much as we can from everyone. So all of the specific drama skills have been really useful and beneficial to me to be able to take back into my own classroom. So refreshers from high-level professionals, and whether they're actors or clowners or whoever it might be, to be able to take back those specific drama skills. But also just being able to be open to new ideas and hearing ideas from other teachers. Oh, this is what I do. Oh, I've had this idea, or I've done that, but I've put my own spin on it, which is this. And that's been really refreshing to kind of update the workbook, so to speak, for class. So it's been really wonderful.